So just now I dropped my mother at the highway. She called me that she wants to go there. And few moments back I was quite annoyed because my brother was continuously barking around me. He was doing on purpose, so I shouldn't give that Wi-Fi gone details. So my mother has gone to Chembur because there also some painting thing is happening, and here also some painting thing is happening. Suddenly, why over there painting thing is happening? I still don't fucking get it. In my Chembur house, half of the bungalow. So, so here's the chase now. When I went to the highway, came back, waited near the tea stall guy, had a tea there. I saw 503 guy going towards the main road. That means he has to, the Zepto phone has to be cloned till the highway, and the entire route from here till Mumbai, they have to plant phone location on my mother, and which the phone sold data. So that's the thing. So entire from here till Chembur, the Chandal Chokdi is there to plant phone location. Those prostitutes are there to plant phone location. But from here till Chembur, the phone location is planted. It will be. And when I went, I was having that tree, so 503 guy went in front of me while I was having that tea. So he might be the one planting that phone location till the highway, according to the fake surveillance time of this society. So there must be, I went to the highway and I came back. So it must be around 15 minutes, 15 minutes time difference is there in the surveillance of society. I still don't know what is going on. So anyways, phone location will be planted on my mother with the cloner. So there are two phones. One which my mother got OTP, that phone she is carrying. And the one, the transaction phone, which sold the data. Which phone is that? Stolen, dead, or clone version? So, phone location planting on my mother from here till Chembur. So over there also painting shit is going to happen, over here also painting shit is going to happen. I don't know what is the game behind this. Those paying guests said that they want to paint that house, so that's why my mother has to go there.